Alright guys, so welcome to today's giveaway video. In today's giveaway video, I've decided to start with some new anime content right here. And today we have a water breathing first form for you. It's not the best thing which has been done on Roblox yet, but it is pretty decent I think. So I have made the trail and the particles myself. The sword model as well, but the sword model was made years ago, so I think that this move right here can be tweaked or can be tuned up very extremely by enhancing the sword model first of all, so by adding a better sword model to it, but also by improving the graphics, so the visuals, so the trail, the particles, whatsoever. But I think that it is still pretty decent. It also has some sounds, but I'm not going to blend the sounds in because of, you know, copyright issues. But the link is in the description to the model, so I decided to move the links to my Discord server, so you have to join the Discord server in order to have access to the links of those models. Also check out my second channel, guys. With that being said, enjoy.